Did you know in Japan, there's a spirit that appears during snowstorms? And if you meet her, you may never come back. In Japanese folklore, she's called Yuki, the snow woman. Travelers in the mountains say she appears during blizzards. A tall woman in a white kimono with pale skin and dark hair. At first she looks human, but then people notice something strange. Her footprints suddenly disappear in the snow. Some stories say she freezes travelers with a single breath. Others say she simply leads them deeper into the storm until they vanish. And in the mountains of Japan, people still claim to see Yuki walking through the snow.